From the list or map view, you can access a more detailed view of a tank and the batch it contains. To return to the list or map view, click on the button at the top left of the page. It is also possible to change tank, using the scroll bar on the right of the screen. The tank view is displayed as a dashboard made up of several blocks. The first block displays the main information on the current batch and process. This information is the same as that displayed in the list and map views. The process step is indicated by a green button. Clicking on this button displays the data that has been entered to feed our process algorithms. A second block allows you to view the latest measurements, operations, or tastings carried out, as well as to record new data. A third block shows the recorded data in graphical form. If the required data has been recorded, several thematic graphs are available. Hovering the mouse over the density curve also allows you to view the different statuses the batch has undergone during alcoholic fermentation or aging. A fourth block displays analytical data on the starting must, as well as alcoholic fermentation monitoring data. For monitoring alcoholic fermentation kinetics, a sensor can be used to automatically record changes in density every 3 hours. We'll describe the sensor association protocol in a separate tutorial. Finally, a last block summarizes the overall contributions made to the batch, whether in terms of oxygen, wood, or enological products.